Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I would like to show you a very special addition to my collection. This here is a gold-plated Royal Quiet Deluxe serial number A-1907381 made in 1948. This sure is a beauty, isn't she? This is real gold plating on the typewriter. It's not paint, not enamel. It's gold. I got this off eBay for $125, and it was in pretty bad shape mechanically and cosmetically, and there's still some gold missing. I haven't had a lot of success in replating, but as you can see, the gold is definitely there and definitely shiny and beautiful. The mechanism is a little slow. I oiled it, derusted it some, but generally it's a good machine, and thought it was a really good buy for $125. And this decal on the back says Royal Typewriter Company Incorporated, New York, made in the United States of America, protected by American and foreign patents, like all of Royal Quiet Deluxes. And then there's Royal here, and then this has Olive Eubank. That's the name of the person who owned this typewriter. And the story behind the golden typewriter is that if you wanted to, you could have Royal gold plate your typewriter for your Quiet Deluxe, and it's for an extra surcharge, and you could have them custom it, and like for example the name up here, that was custom ordered and designed. The gold's definitely custom, and here's a bit where I polished it up. You can see how good the gold plating is. See the camera right there at the little corner. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so radiant, it just lightens up the entire room. It's a really great machine. And like all Quiet Deluxes, it has magic margin up here, basket shift, automatic ribbon reverse, has your touch control right here. And I had to rebend the metal back into shape right there with a ball peen hammer because it was bent out of shape when it came in from shipping. And the plating is in pretty good condition. It types. The carriage mainspring is still very tight, very strong, and yeah, it was a great find. I'm not going to type with it right now because everything's a little sluggish and I don't want to get ink in the mechanism, but as you can see, it's typing. Everything was good. So if you have any questions about this, just shoot me off an email or contact me through my YouTube page. Thanks guys for watching. Hope this has been informative, and I'll just go one last look around. This is probably the rarest machine in my collection, just because it's so unique and so, like, these were custom made, and all custom ordered machines were very rare. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. This has been a Kibler's Typewriter Company production. See you guys later.